Welcome back. The first tutorial ended abruptly because there's a bit of confusion about saving versus exporting. So this is a tutorial 1-A to just explain the difference there. Because we started with a blank Inkscape project, if we go just save as PNG, we only get a blank image. Not very useful. What we need to do is go, if we want to get to a PNG, we have to export. So we have the choice whether we continue editing this project as an SVG or we export it as a PNG for posterity's sake. You can select Export As button. That'll tell you where you're going, what the file name is going to be. And when you push the button, it'll overwrite that. And we actually have an actual image now. This is one of the reasons why I generally do my cropping and saving of raw images in a different program than Inkscape. From this point on, most of the quirks are gone, and Inkscape actually becomes very, very efficient to use, as I hopefully can show in subsequent episodes.